Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt here on YouTube, Rush Truck Centers in Greeley, Colorado. I'm feeling a little rusty on these videos because we haven't had much to video lately. But this is a brand new 2023 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, 78-inch stand-up sleeper. This one is available. Customer did not need it. I had a pair of them, a pair of twins. I think there's a previous video on the twin to this. So this is the actual truck. It's not a twin or another one. It is available. So if this is something that'll work for you, it's a 605 2050 torque. It's all done, all ready to go. Really all it needs is cab lights and sleeper lights, or maybe lights in the breather. Everything else is done. Extended hood, 280 wheelbase. We'll just do a quick walk around on it. This is also probably the biggest difference in this. This is an 18-speed Endurant XD Pro. So this is an 18-speed automatic, and I tell you what, a lot of the old school guys don't like it because you should have to shift. But I tell you what, it sure drives nice. Eaton did a nice job with this tranny and cabguard. 11R 22.5 wheels and tires, 22.5 wheels. Air ride steer axle on this. I apologize for this being dirty, but it has been cold and snowy here in Colorado, so getting things clean has been a little tough. Got a master disconnect there, to def tank, got a 110 tank on this side. It's gonna be a great flatbedder truck. Got a really nice Merritt enclosed cab guard here, very nice. It's got a big light bar, LED light bar. You can see Montana from here when that thing's on. Got a strobe light at the top. All that's wired in. It's got an esbar bunk heater. There's the exhaust tube on it. It's got a chain rack over there. 30-inch Hogue-built quarter fenders. Michelin XDN2s on the rear, 11R 22.5s. This truck also has full lockers and disc brakes. Disc brakes. You can see the locker right there. Aluminum fifth wheel. LED lights. It's also got a Master APU on it and a chain rack here. I don't know why this is up. The Merritt chain rack. APU, it's all installed. Everything's ready to roll. Got a 150 on this side. Take a look underneath. And I hate taking a video of it dirty, but I don't have time to get it cleaned, and I've got a flight tomorrow, so. Air ride steer axle. Cummins X15. It's just in the standard white. It's non-metallic. Very nice color. Easy to keep clean. Davco fuel filter. Air ride. Let's see if I can. Yeah, right there. It's a 605 2050 torque. That's the highest we can go in a Peterbilt. Highest factory setting. Take a quick look on the inside. It's a platinum interior, gray. We did Sears 70 mid-back seats, which I really like because you don't have the high back. It just opens up, makes the interior feel a lot better. So we'll take a got the smart wheel. You can see there's no stick shift here in the middle. You see it, it's right here. It's in neutral. You drive in reverse. You can put it in manual, and you can operate this as a manual. You just push that button on the end. This is manual or automatic. Push that button, and then the stick up and down. So you go up in numeric gears, down. So it really easy. I know I'm going to lose a lot of you guys on that. That's not right. But I tell you what, it drives amazing. That's our new full gauge package. Since we got the digital A panel. Radio, HVAC controls, factory CB, 14-inch drop visor, train horns already installed. And like I said, these low back seats and mid back seats are much easier. It just really opens up the cab. We got a fridge, 78-inch stand-up sleeper, single bunk. The cabinets are on the rear. We have a business center here. Get all your paperwork done. Microwave, TV, and I got a closet right behind the driver. And right here, here's our control panel. There's your inverter, APU, alarm clock. Here's your esbar heater. So the APU will heat and cool. The esbar heater will only heat. Then you got your controls up here. So I just thought I'd share this one with you. It is available. Gear ratio. Gear ratio is a 336, I believe, is the gear ratio on this. With an 18-speed automatic. Got the aero mirrors. Got the extra lights on the cab already. So like I said, it's ready to go. Give me a holler. You can email me. CouchK, that's COUCHK, @rushenterprises.com, or you can text me, 970-691-3877. Phone calls are tough because I get so many, and it fills up my voicemail and stuff. It's just so an email or a text is usually the easiest. So give me a shout, email or text. If this is something that might work for you, it's ready to go for immediate delivery. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Sorry it's been a while since we put up a video. Hopefully we can get some more trucks in through here soon. Take care, guys. Thank you.